What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another throwback video, guys. Just giving you guys these throwback videos, like I said, until I can start taking you guys to the auction with me. Again, just waiting on the office space inspection from the state. But let's go ahead and get right in today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is a 2008 Chevrolet Aveo. Now this Aveo only had 46,000 miles, guys. That's right, 46,000 miles, man. So this was practically a brand new car, man. This car was nice. It didn't have no issues at all, guys. When I say no issues, it didn't have no issues at all. It was nice, it was clean. Everything was all put together on this truck. I said on this truck, on this car. The only thing about this car was that the AC didn't work, which kind of did surprise me because, you know, this car was like 46,000 miles, man. You know, when you get a car with 46,000 miles, shouldn't be no reason, you know, why the AC or anything didn't work. I got this car actually on a steal for 1955. So that was a pretty good deal. I actually had another Aveo, but this one was, you know, automatic windows and everything, but my other one wasn't. But yeah, 46,000 miles, man. Like I told you, I paid 1955. I ended up selling this. See, as that, there you go, right there, 46,000 miles, just so you guys know I'm not lying. I wound up selling this car for $2,700, man. Man had came and got it for his daughter, you know, so she practically got a brand new car. As you can see, it did need some tires and stuff. The tires, you know, wasn't the best. And the AC didn't work, so that's why I sold it for the price that I sold it for. And I think I could have got maybe a little bit more, but you know, guys, by me only paying $1955 for this car and turning around and selling it for $2,700, you know, I thought it was a pretty good deal. They needed AC, they needed tires, at least 2 or 3 tires. But other than that, man, this was a very nice car, man. Everything was driving good and everything. I took it down the road and everything. This bad boy was nice. They didn't have no problems when they bought it or anything. So again, guys, thank you for watching another throwback video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Let me guys know what you guys think about what I paid for the car and what I sold it for. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm almost there at 952 or 953 subscribers right now. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. A lot of content coming for you guys very soon. Peace.